If every boy and girl had a quality education, we could change the world. We could help put an end to poverty, disease, and deprivation. Work with us to ensure that every child gets an education. It's their right. Education for everyone, everywhere. A baby's first right is the right to a healthy start in life. Without treatment, 1/3 of children living with HIV will die before their first birthday. Today we know that infants who are diagnosed within 6 weeks of birth and given treatment within 12 weeks of life have a higher chance of survival. I know you'll want to help UNICEF help these newborns in need. It is really a race against time. Please help now.
It was my delight to be a Peace Corps volunteer for the United States of America, teaching English as a foreign language to a lovely cadre of boys and girls in junior and high school preparatory. In the lovely village of Okondja Gabon in Africa, the newest member of OPEC. From 1992 to 1993,
I have today signed an executive order providing for the establishment of a Peace Corps on a temporary pilot basis. I'm also sending to Congress a message opposing authorization of a permanent Peace Corps. This Corps will be a pool of trained men and women sent overseas by the United States government or through private institutions and organizations to help foreign countries meet their urgent needs for skilled manpower. It is our hope to have between 500 to 1,000 people in the field by the end of this year. We will send Americans abroad who are qualified to do a job. We will send those abroad who are committed to the concept which motivates the Peace Corps. It will not be easy. None of the men and women will be paid a salary. They will live at the same level as the citizens of the country which they're sent to, doing the same work, eating the same food, speaking the same language. We're going to put particular emphasis on those men and women who have skills in teaching, agriculture, and in health. I'm hopeful that it will be a source of satisfaction to Americans and a contribution to world peace. Thank you.
Congratulations to the United States President, Barack Obama, and to the United States First Lady, Michelle Obama. He become the 44th President of the United States of America, 2008 to 2016. Popularly elected for 2 consecutive terms into Oval Office, the White House, the United States of America. Congratulations to the United States President, Barack Obama, and to the United States First Lady, Michelle Obama. he become the 44th President of the United States of America, 2008 to 2016. Popularly elected for 2 consecutive terms into Oval Office, the White House, the United States of America.